Good morning, everybody. Today I want to show you my new product, the Wall Vision Outline Image Effect, which is available at Unity's Asset Store. The Wall Vision Image Effect makes it possible to let certain objects, in this case the main character, shine through other objects which occlude it. Okay, you see Unity Pro and the Angry Bots project is open, and we want to add the effect to this scene. I did some preparation in the scene. First I deleted the level of detail, the depth of field image effect in this scene, and which causes some interference with my image effect. I can't really tell why it is happening, but I do think the custom Angry Bots level field of depth image effect is executed behind all other image effects, and so my image effect messes up the depth values of the scene. It pretty much works with the standard level depth of field image effect which comes with the Unity. Okay, so okay, the first thing is to import the Wall Vision Outline Image Effect. You get a folder here which with a lot of content, the sources, a readme file, some patterns I get to later, and a demo scene. Okay. We want to add the image effect to the main camera, so we go to the main camera, hit Components, Wall Vision Outline Image Effect. There it is. You can deactivate the help boxes by unchecking Show Help, and it's much smaller then. Okay, another thing I prepare is to set the layer of the player model, which is here to player model. It's a layer I created before the video, and I set all the geometry, the static geometry of the level to the layer level here. In order to get the Wall Vision image effect running, you have to set two layer masks. The occluder has to be set to level, because this layer contains the objects which can occlude the player, and visible to player model, which contains all the objects which should be visible while being occluded. That's all to get a basic Wall Vision Outline Image Effect running. So we hit play and kill some Angry Bots and check out the effect. Okay. Boom. There it is. This is the effect we want to achieve. I find a nice place where I can set up the effect more accurately and kill this bot before. Bam. Okay. Let's place the player around here. Hit pause for a moment and rearrange the main camera so we have a better view on the scene and the model and the effect. Main camera, there it is. So I just want to align it with the new view. So we don't need ISO, in perspective, zoom in, and we want to have some occlusion. This way. Main camera. Align with view. Okay. Main camera. And remove it a little bit. So, move it a little bit to the player to have a bigger, better impression. So, game object, game view. So, here we are. This is the player behind this object, and the wall vision image effect shines through the object. Okay, what can we customize? We can set the color. Yeah, here we go. Can set it to this green, for instance. Yeah, it's nice. And we can set the visibility curve. The visibility curve is really important to get cool effects. If I set it this way, the outline or the wall vision effect looks quite different than this way, or this way, or this way. You can grab the handlers and customize the curve in every way you want. So, like this, for instance. You have some shiny metal look, outline shining through. And what can we do next? The patterns. The patterns are small textures which affect the opacity of the outline in respect to the screen space. Select a texture. So we can use, for instance, we can select everything we want, like square. Okay, you say what the difference? Yeah, the scale parameters is set to 1. So one one instance of the texture is scaled over the whole screen. That means the outline is in the white area of this texture. This is not so good, so we scale it down. Yeah, it's coming. So just tweak. So. This way we get a nice pixelation effect. So yeah, I like it this way. It makes it much more interesting. And the weight parameter defines a factor which is applied to the texture as well. You can have some crazy effects with that one. You can do this, or you can do this. Yeah. You can change the color again. So a little bit like this. And we can change the visibility curve again to have some more impressions on how everything comes together. Yeah, that's the easiest one. Just a hard outline of the whole character. This one pretty much like this one, and we can change the texture one more time, perhaps hard point or glowing point or a chest pattern, or one of my favorites, the two triangles, and scale it a little bit up. Not too much. This way. Yeah, I like it. And okay, now we can start the game again. I think I did mess up the main camera pretty much, but I'll give it a try. Pretty much messed it up. Anyway, this is the Wall Vision Outline Image Effect. It is for $5 in the asset store. Currently, you find it under the latest category. It will stay there forever. So, after the asset store loads, I can show you this. Page. Anyway, perhaps it's not a good idea to have the game running in the background or something. I have no idea what's wrong with my asset store. Anyway, you will find it if you search for outline or wall vision effect. You find a thread in the forums and a post on my website www.danielkiedrowski.com, and I wish you a nice day. Thank you very much for watching.